with style, win with flair, win with ease.
And it makes its international debut today. We're going to have some fun this evening as well with a full house here at Emirates Old Trafford. Welcome along to you. Welcome to Nasser and to Wasim Akram. It's a bit of a home fixture for Wasim. The Pakistan fans are in Old Trafford. They're going to make some noise because they've brought their trumpets and all sorts. So it's
Old Trafford में पाकिस्तान और इंग्लैंड का इस दौरे का वाहिद T20 मैच खेला जाना है और इस दौरे का आखिरी मैच है। आपको आगाह कर रहे हैं कि ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड के ये मनाजिर हैं जहां पर टॉस होने वाला है और पाकिस्तान टीम के कप्तान सरफराज अहमद भी मौजूद हैं, इंग्लिश टीम के कप्तान भी मौजूद हैं और जो टीम टॉस जीतेगी वो क्या फैसला करती है अब से कुछ देर बाद सामने आ जाएगा। लेकिन अगर इस टूर्नामेंट की बात की जाए तो वनडे सीरीज इंग्लैंड जीती, टेस्ट सीरीज बराबर रही थी।
Heads it is. England won the toss. What are you going to do, Owen? It looks a bit of a belter, doesn't it?
It does. The weather's been really good here the last couple of days and hopefully the wicket plays as good as it looks.
You made 3 changes to the final ODI team, but it looks as though you're putting out your strongest possible 11 here today.
Yeah, we are. We've had everybody available for selection, which is great to see. You know, it'll be great to finish the summer on a real high with our strongest side out. We'll obviously have to play very good cricket to beat Pakistan here tonight, but yeah, we have our strongest side out.
As you say, it's just a one-off game with no real context. Is it about putting on a show to finish the summer tonight?
Yeah, majority of the guys have been in good nick throughout the summer. It's important. Obviously, it is a one-off game, but producing that tonight, I think, is very important.
No doubt the local fans would like to know what numbers Joss Buttler coming in, because Alex Hales is back and Buttler opened in the last T20 game for you.
Yeah, Alex is back at the top of the order with Jason, and Joss is up and down the order. It'll depend on the situation of the game, but we all like to see him have a great night here.
Okay, good luck. Safraz, what would you like to have done on this pitch?
Yeah, I'm also bad, but it happened, toss not in your hands.
Now, this is your first game officially as a captain. You've done it once before. Is captaining Pakistan what you like to do? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I'm really excited about today's match and looking forward to it.
Now, you've brought in 2 new players into the squad and you have 2 debutants as well.
Yes, 2 debutants is Babar Azam and Hassan Ali and Khalil Atim as well. Tanveer is back on the side.
Final game of the tour. Going to put on a show for us tonight?
Yeah, final of the game and finishing on the high note, inshallah.
Good luck.
इंशाल्लाह मैच जीतेंगे। सरफराज अहमद का ये कहना है। आपको आगाह करें, ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड इस दौरे का वाहिद T20 मैच और टॉस इंग्लिश टीम के कप्तान ने जीत लिया है। इंग्लैंड ने टॉस जीतकर पहले बैटिंग का फैसला किया है। दुजानिब कप्तान सरफराज जो कि इस मैच में कप्तानी कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि 22 T20 कप्तान जी उनका पहला मैच है। इंशाल्लाह ये मैच जीतने की कोशिश करेंगे। बाबर आजम, हसन अली और खालिद लतीफ टीम का हिस्सा हैं।